Okay, so what you're looking at here is a two-sided machining job. We want to machine this meshed surface here. It's the shape of a face, and we want to machine obviously on two sides. So let's take a moment to just look at the geometry we have. We have the original mesh. We also have a magenta colored cylinder going all the way through. So let's go ahead and let's change the it so we can see through that. So you'll see that this cylinder passes all the way through the part, and it actually extends into the box stock on each end. Okay, and what that's going to do is that's after we're done machining, that's going to have material there that held it to the stock, but that you'll be able to remove manually and get that part out. So we also have the box, of course. The entire stock is shaped like a box. And let's go up here and just make sure our stock definition, copy model bounding box. Okay, so we got our stock, which is a box. And we also have the surface here, this planar surface, which we have placed at the center line, and it passes through that magenta cylinder, and that's going to serve as a containment in the z-axis. We won't be able to machine any deeper than that. And what's good, I mean, you can go ahead and have a z-level bottom B. We can, tell it not to machine it any further than a certain level. Okay. But this is just another option. It allows you to, tweak the surface up and down if you want to machine a little bit deeper and clean up the perimeter edge a little bit better. So let's go ahead and look at our setups. We have setup 1, which is the default orientation setup. Okay, so it's oriented right here at our world coordinate origin there. Okay, and then we have work 0, which is also located at the world coordinate system. And let's just regenerate that. And then we have a rotate table setup, and you can do this rotate table setup from up here. Rotate table setup, and let's just click on there. And you'll see that we're doing 180-degree rotation. So we're flipping it over a 180 degrees. And also, if you're interested in the machine definition, let's go up here. Our machine definition is set to manual, and its number of axes is set to 4 axes. And it's a table. The rotating axis is on the table, not on the head. Okay. And then also we have the rotation, the 4th axis, which is the primary axis, set to positive X. So if you'll see here, you'll see the green arrow is extending in the positive X direction. So that's how you set up the machine for 4 axes. And let's go ahead and generate this work 0. Okay. So we add a rotate table setup to rotate that stock over, and then we have our additional actually just copying the same operations from setup 1 down to the second setup. Let's go ahead and do a simulation. Let's do it by setups. Setup 1. Let's go ahead and regenerate that. Okay, so let's go simulate setup 1. That's on the top side. As you recall, we did the top side first, and then setup 3. Okay, so let's get rid of the toolpath, and we have our machined face connected to the stock with that rod, and you just cut this off and get that machined part out.